Dreaming of buying a home and don't know where to start? Buying a house is blank. Fill in the blank. I've heard everything from exciting to the biggest investment of my life to nail-biting, stressful, and daunting. I don't want to make the home buying journey daunting for you. My name is Larry Bammer with eMortgage Capital, and I'm here today only to offer you an opportunity to sign up for our free home buyer seminar online. No strings attached. We want to provide value and educate you on this biggest investment of your life. You're going to learn from industry professionals everything from credit scores to down payment, purchase contracts to what to do and say at an open house, how to search for homes, what to look for during a home inspection, and tips on a smooth closing. You can ask questions of industry professionals local in our market. Our home buyer seminar is twice a month on Wednesday evenings and Saturday mornings to accommodate your busy schedule. There's 3 ways to sign up for our seminar. 1, you can hit the QR code right here. Or 2, you can text seminar to 949-806-6635, or you can go to orangecountyseminar.com. Thanks for watching. I look forward to making your home buying experience exceptional.